all comes down to the sounds and the rhythm and the suprasegmental features of the language. So let's talk about that a little bit. So we have the sounds, which are the consonants and the vowels in American English. So you can be over, pronouncing them, under pronouncing them. You could be shifting them and changing them depending on, what the accent is for the region. You're going to have different ways that things are pronounced, different words that are pronounced differently depending on which part of the U.S. that you're in. So the sounds of American English can vary a little bit from region to region. Now, there's also the rhythm of American English. This is like the tone and the quality, the pace, just some of these other elements that create the rhythm that we come to expect in American English.